In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete or hide your YouTube channel on your phone mobile device. Go ahead and go to the YouTube application. It looks like this right here down on my bottom. Make sure that you are in the correct YouTube channel that you want to delete. I manage several YouTube channels, so we're going to go ahead and pretend to delete this Andrea Jean morning motivation channel. I created it as an experimental channel a long time ago. So here we are. Again, go ahead and click your avatar in the top right hand side. In blue, you see right here, it says manage your Google account. This is what you want to click. Go on over to data and privacy. It's right next to personal info. Click that. Now you're going to scroll very close to the bottom of the page. Right here, you can see it says delete a Google service. Go ahead and click that. Enter your password. Now here's where the magic happens. YouTube, 5 videos uploaded. So I've only uploaded 5 videos on this particular channel. Go ahead and hit this trash can. Enter your password again. 2 options right here. If you just want to hide your content, click this drop down. You can select your 5 public videos or how many videos you have on your specific YouTube channel. The following will not be hidden: your channel page, your channel name. You could choose to have this if you wanted. Whatever you decide, when you're done, go ahead and click hide my content. To permanently delete your YouTube channel on your phone, click this drop down right here. And you have several options. Make sure that you read through these carefully. When you delete your YouTube channel, it will not be able to be recovered. And that includes all your subscribers, all of your comments, all of your replies, your search and watch history. You can also choose to delete any paid subscriptions that you own. Once you've decided what you want to select, go ahead and click delete my content. Click the video on screen now for some additional YouTube tips and tricks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.